When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. And not just any kind, but this refreshing Arabic mint lemonade. Made with lemons, limes, and fresh mint, it's the perfect drink for hot days, and it's sure to impress just everyone.
If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kitty, and this channel is all about Middle Eastern recipes and culture, with a special focus on my beloved country, Jordan.
All you need is 5 staple ingredients. Water is the base for your lemonade. Use cold water for the best taste. Regular yellow lemons or limes are interchangeable and both work well. I'll tell you more about that later. Fresh mint is traditionally used for the signature cooling taste. Don't use mint syrup. Then we'll need some sugar. To serve, we'll need ice cubes or crushed ice. In terms of equipment, all you need is a blender and a fine mesh strainer.
You'll find the list of ingredients with amounts in the description box, along with a link to the printable recipe instructions.
Ready to make this delicious mint lemonade? Let's get started. Let's begin with the lemons. I'm using a combination of regular yellow lemons and limes, which are readily available in most countries. Use a sharp knife to carefully cut the skin of the lemons, slicing away both the outer yellow zest and the white parts underneath. This method is better than peeling by hand, as it removes the bitter white layer that can affect the flavor of your lemonade. Cut just deep enough to expose the juicy flesh, removing any tough or bitter parts. That's how your lemon should look like, with the skin and as much of the white parts underneath removed. You can use lemons, limes, or a combination of both. In the Middle East, a very small type of lime is often used. These have a very thin skin and don't have to be peeled. But for regular lemons or limes, it's important to remove the peel to reduce bitterness. As a rule of thumb, 1 regular yellow lemon is roughly equivalent to 2 to 3 limes in terms of juice. Let's move on to the mint. We'll use only the leaves, not the thick stems. Pluck the mint leaves off the stems one by one. Fresh mint is an essential ingredient in Arabic lemonade. It adds a cooling effect that makes this drink so refreshing. Think of how your breath feels after brushing your teeth or eating a menthol candy. Fresh mint has a similar effect. To make things easier for your blender, bundle the mint leaves together and give them a rough chop. This will help reduce blending time and helps achieve a smoother texture more quickly. Now let's move on to our blender. Add the peeled lemons and limes to the blender. Add the chopped mint leaves along with sugar and water. By the way, my recipe uses about 30% less sugar compared to what you can expect in the Middle East. I'll include the exact amounts in the description box below. We are aiming for a bright, balanced citrus flavor, and because we're using both lemons and limes, we need less sugar than if we're using just lemons. Blend on medium speed for about 2 minutes or until the mint is fully blended. If it's your first time making this lemonade, you can taste test after blending and adjust the amount of sugar and lemon to your liking. After blending, the lemonade will look intensely green and a bit foamy. Next, we're gonna strain the lemonade to remove the foam along with any lemon seeds or mint bits. First, get a pitcher or glass bottle ready in which you'll serve the lemonade. Add some ice cubes to it. If you're using a powerful blender, you could also crush the ice directly in there or simply add ice to the bottle or glasses when serving. Now, grab a fine mesh strainer and head over to the sink. Place your pitcher or a large bowl in the sink, set the strainer on top, and slowly pour the lemonade through. The foam, seeds, and bits of mint will stay in the strainer while the smooth juice collects below. Use a spoon or gently stir with your hand to help the last bits of juice pass through. For the best flavor, chill the lemonade in the fridge for a few hours before serving. If you're serving it right away, pour it over plenty of ice cubes. The colder it is, the better it tastes. And that's it, your Middle Eastern mint lemonade is ready. Enjoy your summer!